I was shocked and surprised as the audience is right now when I also heard it the first time. I think मैंने भी गुरु को यही बोला कि क्यों मुझे क्यों निकाल रहा है यार, मैं तो गद्दी के लिए भी नहीं लड़ रहा हूँ, मतलब आई एम नॉट इवन द वन. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, गुरु एज अ डायरेक्टर जस्ट स्पॉइल्स यू. यार ही इज सो अमेजिंग. आके पीछे आपको बैक मसाज देने लग जाएंगे. आई हैव टोल्ड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स गुरु की, गुरु डोंट डू दिस बिकॉज देन वी स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग अदर सेट्स में जाके बाकी डायरेक्टर भी आके बैक मसाज देंगे, जो नहीं होता है.
तो आप रिमाइंड नहीं करते भाई ये मिर्जापुर का सेट है,
ये मिर्जापुर का सेट
ये
है.
मिर्जापुर का लैंडस्केप है, बैंकॉक का नहीं.
बैंकॉक का नहीं है. हाँ, मतलब त्यागी की जैसे रॉबिन का भी कोई दूसरा ट्विन ब्रदर है.
करेक्ट.
राधे श्याम अग्रवाल की जगह
गेटिंग आइडियाज.
वी शुड मेक आइडियाज यार. हम लोग को यहाँ लिखना चाहिए, बट प्रॉब्लम वही है ना कि राइटर्स एंड मेकर्स वहाँ जो बैठे हैं.
Guns, gore, गालियां इन सबसे भरपूर, replete with all these elements. We know what the landscape of Mirzapur looks like. But when first two seasons are successful and you get into the third one, there is burden, of course, but you have all those elements intact. But what got me worried is the fact that Robin Bhaiya is no more for season 4. Everybody is keeping their fingers crossed for the next season. But unfortunately, the man who's right alongside me
I know.
will not be a part of it. First of all, thank you so much for joining us
Thank you
on
for
the
the news.
FPJ.
Thank you, yeah, always pleasure.
Why is the question? Why have they bumped you off completely?
I was shocked and surprised as the audience is right now when I also heard it the first time. I think मैंने भी गुरु को यही बोला कि क्यों मुझे क्यों निकाल रहा है यार, मैं तो गद्दी के लिए भी नहीं लड़ रहा हूँ, मतलब आई एम नॉट इवन द वन troubling anybody in the show. Like I'm the one actually. And this time season 3, so when you see Robin ka, there's a different shade of him.
Correct.
Where he's trying to make everything right, working for the family, for Dimpy, and closing his business, and for the father, and but I think the idea was, when you think about it, I feel it's very gutsy of Guru to take a step like this.
Correct.
He's trying to show hope, and this one guy who's trying to do right for everybody, or for the family at least, and सब वो गद्दी के fight में लगे हुए हैं. Everybody is trying to fight for it, but that's also not sometimes possible. That hopefulness is not possible in a world like Mirzapur, where everybody is going wrong, and where I think it also builds on this Mad King का जो character है, which Guddu is becoming right now, and what Guddu is getting into with drugs and everything. And
Perhaps that's what Mirzapur is also known for.
it's about that.
They build that. They take you right at the brink of the character where it is developing, and you're becoming hopeful, and you know that some big things are going to happen with this character, and that's when they give you that big surprise.
So they take you to the edge, and then some surprise or a shock, which is also after season 2. I remember there were so many theories about Robin. Ki Robin would be this, Robin would be that, because we don't know his background, we don't know where he comes from, who is he. एक तो the so many made up stories he does, whether it is about mummy or about himself. But I liked it that this time we realized that he has now a motive of what he wants to do, and अब वो motive भी clear, and it repercussions हैं for falling in love and making things right in a place like Mirzapur. So मुझे लग रहा है overall world जो गुरु दिखाना चाह रहे थे and what he wants to do with the story, it works there. But of course, as selfish as an actor, and I was like, nah, damn it, I'll miss this. I miss playing Robin.
Yeah.
Like that character was so interesting to do. Every day I would go on set and I can do so many things with him. मैं उस सीन को अलग अलग तरीके से प्ले कर सकता हूँ, and which is what Guru also left me with, कि यार जो करना है कर, तेरे ऊपर है. I think I'll miss that. I'll miss that world. I'll miss working with Guru, playing Robin. Hopefully देखते हैं कोई ड्रीम सीक्वेंस में आ जाऊँगा. I don't know. अभी तक fingers crossed.
Tell me about this. Given the landscape that we know, and the twists and the turns, and of course your character in it, for an endeavor of this size and this scale, which is humongously popular, you're also telling me कि आपको उतनी ही liberty भी दी जा रही थी, where you can become flexible as a performer. Tell me more about it.
Yeah. That's what Guru does, and that is why you're so comfortable on that set. And all of us become like a family, and अगर हम बहुत dark और ऐसा action sequence भी कर रहे हैं जो which we have shown right now, we know it's a hard hitting one. We know we go through a lot of emotions while shooting. But I'm telling you, Guru as a director just spoils you. Yeah, he is so amazing. आके पीछे आपको back massage देने लग जाएंगे. I have told it so many times, Guru don't do this, because then we start expecting other sets में जाके बाकी director भी आके back massage देंगे, जो नहीं होता है, right? तो गुरु इज,
आप रिमाइंड नहीं करते भाई ये मिर्जापुर का सेट है,
ये मिर्जापुर का सेट
ये मिर्जापुर का लैंडस्केप है, बैंकॉक का नहीं.
बैंकॉक का नहीं है. बट ही विल लुकिंग एट गुरु, and you see the way he makes the show is so different. That person is so different in life on set. Is one of the most genuine sweetheart guy you'll meet. So real and very open to suggestions and collaboration. So when you are telling me कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता था, because एक तो character वैसा था Robin. I remember season 2 में भी when I walked up to him and I said कि एक line डाल देंगे भी ठीक है. And then he, you know, the writer was like कि क्यों डालनी है, ऐसे डालते हैं तकिया कलाम, मजा आएगा. ये character में चाहिए कुछ ऐसा जो वो अपने आप को बोलता है. And I don't know, I had this thought long back to add this line somewhere with some character, and when Robin came to me, I'm like ये इधर तो पक्का बैठेगी और सही तरीके से it fits. But Guru was always in a scene कि I remember many times I said यार ये सच बोल रहा है कि झूठ बोल रहा है इस टाइम पे. You know, इजी जब डिम्पी को लव ही बोल रहा है या बोलता है कि मैं कभी तुम्हें अपनी मम्मी से मिलवाऊंगा, तुम खाना खाना उनका, ये कमिट कर रहा है, मतलब इसी 100% श्योर. एंड गुरु वाज लाइक कि यू डिसाइड, तू रख ले, 50% रख, 100% रख, यू डोंट वांट टू कीप इट, डोंट वांट टू कीप इट,
ओपन एंडेड रखो,
ओपन एंडेड रखो. इसीलिए रॉबिन, अगर आप सीजन 2 से देखो, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. हर सीन में उसका आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि यार ये सच बोलता है नहीं बोलता. तो मैं एवरी सीन आई हैव प्लेड इट वेरी डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम व्हाट ही थिंक्स. माय फेवरेट सीन इज दैट जब वो हॉस्टल में उसके वॉशरूम से बाहर आता है, you know, there's a very serious moment going on between Guddu and Dimpy and Golu sitting there, and suddenly Guddu is like यार ये वॉशरूम से बाहर आ रहा है. मतलब तो और वो बोलता भी कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम बोला था कि मेरी बहन के पास मत दिखना, और तू मतलब सीधा उसके कमरे में, और तब भी उसको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. मतलब रॉबिन को ही इज लाइक, आई ऑल्सो फील ही वाज वन ऑफ द स्मार्टेस्ट कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज एक तो लोगों की वीकनेस जो पैसा है उसका ब्लैक एंड वाइट ये करता है. तो आपको पता है लोगों की वीकनेस क्या है, and he doesn't get scared of guns because he knows कि मैं बात करके that's his weapon.
Correct.
So I remember telling रसिका कि यार बीना त्रिपाठी और रॉबिन मिल जाते तो सोचो क्या होता है.
क्या
Imagine both of them play
क्या
ही हो जाता. But ठीक है, we are not the writers.
In retrospect, how do you read Robin the character? Is it black? Is it white? Is it all grey? How do you see it?
We've been calling him, I called him always a colorful chameleon. I called him Rangila Robin. Whether you
Rangila Robin.
Rangila Robin is the get-up also. And it is a get-up. It is not that he is at home like this. वो खुद भी बोलता है. Well, later in the show he says कि राधेश्याम अग्रवाल नाम है हमारा.
Correct.
रॉबिन तो लोग जिससे काम में लोग सीरियसली ले मुझे, नाम रखा है उसने. उसके आई डोंट थिंक वो चश्मे में पावर है. कितनी बार वो बिना चश्मे के साफ करते करते पहनता रहता है. सो इट इज अ गेटअप व्हिच ही कम्स अप विद.
It's a projection.
It's a projection. It's something which you don't know who the real guy is. So I call him a colorful chameleon because मुझे लगता है वो ब्लैक और वाइट या ग्रे में फिट होता है. वो तो कभी ग्रीन हो जाता है, कभी येलो हो जाता है, कभी रेड हो जाता है. What he can be, I think, is very, very interesting.
What part of Robin's personality or persona have you borrowed from who you are in real life?
I think one thing common between him and me, I realized later as I kept doing the show and वापस जाके जब मैं अपने scenes देखता हूँ, is एक तो I think both of us have this capability of talking.
Yeah.
I can talk and solve an issue without violence. तो मुझे भी violence वाला एंगल पसंद नहीं है. और ऐसा हुआ था मेरे साथ कॉलेज में.
Robin uses words as a weapon.
Yeah.
Do you do that in real life too?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. I've made people cry just by talking to them.
Please explain.
मतलब see, I will not shout at somebody. If I'm angry at somebody, I will just be strict. And जैसे for example, मेरे घर में एक पेंटर ने 2-3 बार आके काम ढंग से नहीं किया. I told him कि यार ये चाहिए. Then when it's very once in blue moon, and Vandana also, my wife, has told me कि बहुत कम होता है जब प्रियांशु गुस्सा आता है, लेकिन जब आता है मैं चिल्लाऊंगा नहीं आपके ऊपर, फिर मैं आपसे बातें करूंगा. मैं आपको I will make you feel, I have made that person feel so bad that he had teary eyed and he felt कि मैं ये क्यों ही काम कर रहा हूँ. तो but I've solved. It's not like it's for bad, but I've also done good by resolving issues. कि एक हमारे कॉलेज में one of my friend got into a fight with somebody, and वहाँ उन्हीं तो the other guys get 30 people, and हमने देखा हम सब 7-8 हैं, and वो कॉलेज के पीछे मिल रहे थे, and we were like, oh shit, we were 7 of them, 30-35, हम गंदा पिटेंगे. So that's why Robin quality I'm saying. मैं गया, मैंने बातें करी है उनसे, and बात करके I've resolved it, and then we've become like, and eventually हम लोग सब लोग चाय पी रहे थे, जूस पी रहे थे, वो सब हो रहा था. तो I think that is one thing.
You can negotiate anything.
I can do that. I can get into that at least. But what I've understood after being Robin, and I remember telling Shweta and Ali and all these guys that Robin बनने से पहले तक मैं I used to love colors as clothing, मैं कह रहा हूँ. but I never wore a printed clothes. मैं solids पहनता था. I used to like black and grey or red or something, but solid colors. And post Robin, I'm like, yeah, I think I can carry all these printed clothes and all that. Yeah,
Very good, I can see that.
This is in the
And
subtle
much
one.
like the character, it's grey too.
It's grey too, and this is a subtle printer. मैंने तो अभी जब when I was doing the promotions and everywhere, I was like, let's all go colorful, yeah, why not? And I think that's come from Robin.
श्वेता से मैंने पूछा कि वाई हम ही अपना ब्रेन क्यों खपाए इसके ऊपर कि अभी तक कौन कौन मरा है सीजन 1 से अभी एंड तक.
Oh yeah.
Can you jog your memory a little to tell me who all have been killed, bumped off, no more part of the series? चलिए थोड़ा टेस्ट करेंगे.
देखो मतलब season 1 में तो obviously the way it ended with Sweetie and Bablu dying, one of the most emotional.
How did they die?
Munna kills them na
Correct.
in the wedding. वो तो सबको याद रहेगा यार. It's like that reception वाला time.
Take your time.
Then which I have to name all of them. Okay. 1 में वो हुए. 2 में तो of course you had Dadaji, the eldest, Tripathi dying, and the grandson Munna also being shot. So we can say these two. Season 2 में तो यही थे ना ये. Oh, Tyagi. Correct. I was like, हाँ कोई तो और बहुत interesting.
How
था.
could you forget?
Yeah. Of course. Tyagi brothers में से one of the Tyagi brothers.
The one who gets killed by a pencil.
Killed by pencil? Hey, that is in 3 now.
Yeah.
हाँ अभी 3 में आ रहा हूँ मैं. 2 में त्यागी गए. 2 में त्यागी गए. 3 में of course Lala gets killed by the pencil. This one guy gets his eyes. उसके साथ कुछ आंखों में हो जाता है. I won't name him because then I always feel bad कि यार मेरा character चला गया.
Not bad at all. You are nearly there. Yeah.
Robin and of course Sharad Shukla का हो जाता है. In fact, one of the shocking very moment was for me the way it happens is their father.
Absolutely.
Then he shoots himself. What a scene that is.
What a scene.
What a scene that is. It hits you, yeah.
Which has been the most satisfying killing? मतलब इतने सारे लोग मर गए अलग अलग तरीके से, तो आपके लिए एज अ व्यूअर, एज अ परफॉर्मर जब आप रेट करते हो, देखते हो, तो कौन सा किलिंग आपको बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट करता है या सेटिस्फाइंग लगता है?
देखो कोई भी किल सेटिस्फाइंग तो नहीं होता है, बट
विजुअली स्पीकिंग इट कुड बी डिलाइटफुल एज वेल. द ब्लडशेड कुड बी गॉर्जियस एंड डिलाइटफुल एज वेल.
I really enjoyed this Lala killing scene.
Lala's murder.
Yeah. I really like that. The Kavi का character ही वो इसलिए interesting बन जाता है suddenly because initially you feel that this guy is just around to do कविता और बेचारा लगता है. Suddenly when he just flips and एक pencil लेके ठक he just kills him. I think that was very innovative, and to flip that character just then there and you can see it in his eyes, the way Pallav has also played it beautifully, that I was here for this, my task was this.
I know this is not going to happen in Mirzapur landscape for sure, given the nature, the texture and the scale of it and the way it is narrated. पर हम चाहते हैं रॉबिन प्लीज, आप ये शायद ड्रीम सीक्वेंस रहा हो या फिर कहीं ना कहीं आपका कुछ अलग जन्म रहा हो, मुझे पता नहीं, प्लीज कम बैक.
हाँ मतलब त्यागी की जैसे रॉबिन का भी कोई दूसरा ट्विन ब्रदर है.
करेक्ट.
राधे श्याम अग्रवाल की जगह
गेटिंग आइडियाज.
वी शुड मेक आइडियाज यार. हम लोग को यहाँ लिखना चाहिए, बट प्रॉब्लम वही है ना कि राइटर्स एंड मेकर्स वहाँ जो बैठे हैं.
बट जस्ट बिफोर द स्टार्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यू यू हैव जस्ट रिवील दैट यहाँ से तो गायब हो चुके हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं रीसर्फेस हो रहे हो आप. कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
Yeah, I can talk about it a little bit, not diverging more into the story, but it's very very interesting, and that is why a lot of people आजकल मेरे Instagram मैंने 1-2 पोस्ट डाले थे recent वाले, उसमें lots of fans said कि अरे रॉबिन भैया आप तो कितने हेल्दी लग रहे थे मिर्ज़ापुर में, अभी कमज़ोर लग रहे हो आप तो. because of this very very lean look and this long golden hair is, I'm sure they will like
Why
it.
are you shrinking?
Because of this show which Guru is only doing, so I'm happy कि गुरु ने वहाँ मारा, लेकिन एक शो जो मुझे अभी दिया है which I am heading, it's called पान पर्दा जर्दा.
पान पर्दा जर्दा.
It's 3 words. I love the name and I love it that these are 3 strong words which define Bhopal. And Bhopal की कहानी है in one line, it's Romeo Juliet love story in an opium world. So there's a lot of love story there.
There is some backdrop there.
That backdrop is very beautiful. Tanya is there with me in this. Tanya Maniktala is there. Mona Singh is there. Shashank sir is there. Manu Rishi Chadda, Manoj Sharma. We have the Lord Lord, and there is a good division of Ahmadians, rich clan, and us So I'm playing a guy from the village. In fact, अभी जो आप देख रहे हो और show में देखोगे बहुत अलग है.
Looking forward to
So it is, yeah, Guru has transformed, and also for him it is, so Sanjay Kapoor Baba, who's shot Mirzapur, is shooting it. The whole team is basically from Mirzapur, but अब देखते हैं, मतलब show तो हम लोग बना ही रहे हैं काफी टाइम महीनों से. It's very very exciting. This
Allow me to throw some adjectives at you from the landscape of Mirzapur. Of course, you have to tell me how would you define that person, or this particular trait or characteristic fits comfortably on that person. Who is the most truthful soul?
in Mirzapur,
Yeah,
their father Pandit ji, the lawyer.
the lawyer. Who's the most evil soul?
Everyone. कौन नहीं है?
कौन नहीं है?
But the most evil will be, I'll tell you, मेरे हिसाब से, it's that Sharad Shukla's mother.
Wow, and why?
Whenever she's spoken like कि एक काम करते हैं. She's that Shakuni sitting behind, behind the curtains who plans
Who pulls the strings?
evil stuff. Yeah, she's pulling the strings. She's not doing nothing wrong on taking anything on her hand. The blood is not in her hand. But वो behind the curtain बैठ के जो evil plans बनाती है दिमाग में, everybody has got at least somewhere a emotional agenda in the sense of भाई यहाँ भी अपने बेटे के लिए कर रही है, but मुझे तो कालीन भैया के लिए भी कभी कभी दया आती है. गुड्डू के लिए भी you feel bad sometimes. गोलू के लिए you feel bad sometimes. बीना के लिए भी, whatever happened with her initially. This lady, तो I don't understand why she's so evil है. She's just मतलब ready to destroy everyone, और वो कर भी देती है ऐसे पर्दे के पीछे बैठे बैठे.
Correct. The most romantic one?
#Rompy.
Oh, nice.
Oh यार वो this hashtag also was very interesting. It came after the trailer this time, and suddenly it grew, and we were like beautiful. मतलब Robin and Dimpy की, and that happened after season 2 also. A lot of people are like in that world, Suddenly when you see these two characters just come and talk to each other and on the bike, चाहे हो या वो library वाला scene हो या जैसे भी हो, और इस बार भी वो ट्यूशन के बिट्स हों, छोटे छोटे बिट्स थे, लेकिन आई थिंक पीपल आर लाइक दैट्स लाइक अ ब्रेथ ऑफ फ्रेश एयर, दैट इट फील्स सो प्योर, एंड दैट ब्रिज सीन व्हिच आई रियली लाइक, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव बीन शेयरिंग दैट. देन व्हेन शी टेल्स मी कि हम अपना करते हैं, दुख खत्म हो जाएगा ना, व्हेन आई टेल हर दैट, क्या लाइन है वो कि जब दुख जिंदगी में जब दुख नहीं होता तो खालीपन ही रहता है, अगर दुख ना हो तो खालीपन रहता है, व्हिच इज ट्रू. मतलब यू शुड हैव दैट. So I think that purity of love which is shown with Robin and Dimpy is lovely.
I know, difficult to spot, difficult to identify, but still I would ask the most gentle one.
Most gentle one?
Yeah.
Their mother, Shivaji.
Okay.
Her character. Yeah. She is, I have not seen her. वैसे तो रॉबिन भी जेंटल ही रहता है, मतलब रॉबिन has never been, in fact this was the first time, if you see in that last scene of mine when Guddu goes all berserk,
Yeah.
and I asked Guru also that, I said should I up it or not, या मैं अपने अलग हिसाब से खेलूं, because this is the first time you say, मतलब you see Robin going कि औकात की क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप, मतलब आपकी औकात मेरी औकात, मैं हूँ जो फैमिली को संभाल रहा हूँ, and he gets into confrontation with somebody like Guddu, जो वो हमेशा बैकफुट पे खेलता है, वो बोलता है कि आप बाहर आओ तब दिखाते हैं हम, he has his planning. This is the first time he hits it right back, and थोड़ा सा gentleness तो नहीं होती है उसको,
Most sexually active, seductive.
I think that is Zarina, no? She is the one who's like used also in that manner and beautifully plays it like that. Yeah.
And एकदम सीधा, शायद जलेबी की तरह सीधा.
Bablu था पहले, है ना? Correct. Bablu was that guy.
हमें पता है कि विक्रांत मासी का कैरेक्टर you were eyeing for, but I'm glad you performed what you have performed.
No, absolutely.
Because the resurrection is in some
Yes.
other installment.
Yes.
But if not Vikrant Masi's character, which other character would have had you completely seduced with its shades of grey?
I've said this before though. Of course, it's a female character, but one of my favorite characters is Beena Tripathi. It is very, very smartly written, and of course, what Rasika does with it is phenomenal. जो करती है उसके साथ. But if it has to be a male character, then I would have definitely attempted something like a Sharad Shukla also, जो US जाने वाला था लेकिन फिर वो बैठ जाता है. I would have loved to do something with that also. Because that guy also has a change, उसका ग्राफ बहुत बड़ा है. मतलब now तो season 3 में तो he is different, but when you saw him in 1, he was planning to go to US, and बेचारा end में he's shaving his head off. He doesn't want to be in that world, and now he wants to own the gaddi. Like,
Absolutely. What sets Mirzapur apart is the fact that, though there is Bharpur dialogue bazi, but there are certain moments where silence takes precedence over those lines. Do you have your personal favorite line, which is your own? You owned it, and no matter what, that is truly yours. That one line, one dialogue, one scene that has stayed with you from season 2 and season 3.
From both the seasons. I think it will be the वैसे बहुत सारे now I'm thinking of, see definitely there is that ये भी ठीक है, and why it was used and the way I used it was very very important. A lot of people don't know that.
मतलब कैसे आप कार चला रहे हो या नहा रहे हो, तो ये सीन मेरे अपने खुमारी में आने के बाद ये मैं बोल ही देता हूँ. This line is owned by me. This is Robin's line. This is so Robin.
But that is ये भी ठीक है.
Yeah.
ये भी ठीक है is that line. I mean everybody today. I mean, I remember getting, even now I get t-shirts and sweatshirts which ये भी ठीक है, and people have, when very senior person told me that you know पहले के ज़माने में 70s 80s में होता था कि अगर कोई बोलेगा कि दिवाली कब है तो आप बोलते थे कि ये शोले की लाइन है, ये गब्बर की लाइन है. आज के टाइम पे लाइफ में अगर कोई बोल देता है ये भी ठीक है तो बोलते हैं ए रॉबिन लाइन. सो दे से दैट सीनियर एक्टर है वो, उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि यार बहुत टाइम के बाद ऐसा हुआ है कि अगर आप आज कोई कहीं पे ये भी ठीक है लिख दे, yeah, there are groups which were made post 2020 because we went through very difficult time, the world went through that, and people are saying to solve any issue today just say ये भी ठीक है हो जाएगा, ये भी ठीक है कर लेंगे. I know corporate companies did ये भी ठीक है के ऊपर बहुत सारी चीज़ें. तो I think whenever I hear ये भी ठीक है और I say ये भी ठीक है, it's like this is my achievement of this Robin has given it to the world.
That line sits comfortably on Robin, but not on you, because it's not getting just theek hai. You're just getting better and better with your crafts, and better projects are coming your way. Please tell us what next. What do you see on the horizon?
I'm hoping to do as much variety as possible जो हर एक actor चाहता है आज की डेट में, and the kind of and spread myself globally. Thankfully after Extraction I'm approaching even international projects. एक दो होने वाले थे, नहीं हुए, but that itself is a good sign that I am there in their eye line. Last year I was in Spain in some small town where somebody recognized me, one of the bouncer there recognized me. Immigration में जाते तो पहचाने जाते हैं, तो globally भी मुझे spread होना है. I just don't want to be, I want to do South cinema, maybe learn languages and do Spanish. I don't know, I think anything. In fact, in India, I'm saying definitely one successful hit I want to give from my end, so that I know a lot of directors and writers are very very curious and really appreciate my work and say कि यार इस बंदे के साथ काम करने में कुछ मज़ा तो आता है. But I also want to make the producers happy. I know the business behind it. So if a producer is ready कि यार हाँ इस पे let's just bet on this guy, and I know the business right now. I've been around. So I'm hoping कि मेरे साथ भी कोई 12th फेल हो जाए, या मेरे साथ भी कोई ऐसी एक फिल्म या वो मिल जाए मुझे भी सक्सेसफुल. Because then what happens is you are more at a space where now I can diversify. Right now ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को जो काम मिल रहा है उसमें मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, मैं ऑलरेडी खुश हूँ, मेरे लाइनअप अच्छे हैं. But we stop seeing people from the point of view कि, and that happens with directors also and writers, and I've known other actors कि हमने सीरियस काम किया, हमने ऐसा काम किया, अब हमें वैसे ही उसी नज़रिए से देखा जाता है. वो होता है, वो हमने भी देखा है, and I think you've seen it with many actors would say this, which is there, and so I want to break it. Thankfully I've been able to break it बीच में, when people are not expecting me to do something. Suddenly आमिर आसिफ एक्सट्रैक्शन में आता है, suddenly मैं रॉबिन करके आया, मैंने पीपा भी कर ली, मैंने लास्ट ईयर विशाल जी के साथ जो मैंने किया था चार्ली चोपड़ा वहाँ पे किया. So I want to keep changing myself. I just hope that industry also experiments with me more and more. And yeah, man, मतलब rom-com भी करनी है मुझे डांस भी करना है, मुझे
सब कुछ करना है, right? From Bollywood to Tollywood to down south to Spanish.
I've done that on stage. So much I've done that. I've done international shows. I've performed in Paris and Russia, and I've spoken in that language. I've sang Russian songs in Russia. I've done China with shows. I've done comedy on stage. I've done comedy के लिए actually मैं stage पे जमाना जाता था. पर वो प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक मैं जब से कैमरे के सामने आया, मैंने भावेश जोशी में लोगों ने देखा और बोला कि ये तो सीरियस एक्टर है, ये सीरियस वाले रोल्स करता है, which of course I love doing drama, but I think you want to always keep doing different variety.
World is yours for the taking. Yes. Language is not the barrier.
Absolutely.
Genre is not the barrier. Thank you so much for this lovely chat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Loved it.
All the best. Cheers.
Thank you.